Right, the first thing I'm going to install is this. It's a 5 inches high, which should bring the base of here up to the level of the base of the cabinets. And I'm just going to hold that there and staple it, not staple it, but oh, for goodness sake. Ow! That's what happens. I just put it all the way through my finger. Oh, blimey, that hurt. It was least quick. So try not to do what I do. I have at least had my tetanus, so I've just got to find something to wrap that up with. Oh dear.